All right, so you'll be having EView tutorial today. So, and what will be our focus for today EView video rather is how to run unit 2 test like I think in 1 minute, or let's say as fast as possible. Normally when you have 15 variables or 10 variables to as predictors on your outcome variable, which is dependent variable, you will tend to have to check the unit for individual variables at level, as for difference, and as well as second difference. But do you know you can actually check your unit root at a glance using a particular add-ins? So let's go in. Let me share my screen. I'll be using EView 13. So let's go. So here is my EView 13. Then I'm bringing in a data set, import a data set from my desktop. I just bring any data set I think I can use. Okay, check out something here. So finish, no external source. So in this data set, we have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables, which is simple. So however, if you want to do all these 5 variables without you checking them one by one, unit 2 is just for you to check the stationarity of of your variable in order to confirm the methodology you have to adopt, either OLS, FOMLS, DOLS, just ARDL, NARDL, and all. So now, for us to confirm this without even stressing ourselves, we just go to the add-ins and go to download add-ins. Download add-ins. So downloading the updated file. So these are the download add-ins. What you need to do is just to go to unit root. Unit root. The abbreviation of unit root is what UR now. Just go for the one that have UR. This is unit root. All unit root. As I click on it, you can see it. As I click on it, you can see that I've installed it already. You see, it has been installed on my own system. So EView 13 already. We call it UR. UR. So with this UR, when you have done installing it, you close this place. The question is, how do you access it further? You just have to go back to your add-ins. You can see it will be at the top here already. Just click on the all unit 2 test. All unit 2 tests. You click on it, you can see that you enter the name of the variables. We have the external debt, SD space. We have the exchange rate R space. We have the GDP space. You have the import demand space. We have the inflation, and that's all, right? So I don't want to use quasi information category. I want to use ARC rather. ARC is archive information category, which is the second option. There I pick. At a glance, here we go. Here we go at a glance. You can see unit root test table. The hypothesis says the unit root has a unit, the variable has a unit root. When the variable has a unit root, that means your probability value must be more than 0.05. So that means you are accepting the null hypothesis, saying that yes, it is not stationary. But if it's significant, that means saying that it is stationary. So inflation is stationary as level, and it's not stationary as false difference. That's one. Then import demand is not stationary as level, neither is stationary as as false difference. The same thing go to GDP, it is more than 0.05, more than 0.05. So the only person that is stationary here is the inflation. Even as false difference is stationary as at 10%. And no. So at this place, you have already got everything you need at a glance to know that if your variable is ready to go or not. So that's just it. So you all can help you have what to get this thing at a glance without you stressing yourself. I've already got everything just to know if your variable is stationary or not. And you can actually copy and paste it on your Word immediately. You can copy and paste it on your Word. Just say copy and paste. Look at it, copy and paste. You can even take it by printing it. Copy and paste on Word. Let's look for a Word document. So copy and paste it and show it to the lecturer or put it on your variable if this is one you want to use. So we have our Word showing here. So let's just open it and copy and paste it and see how it should look like. So let's go back to EView 13. So you can adjust it later on. This is it. You can see it here. You can adjust it by putting it on the table and all and editing it. So that's it. If you're okay with the outcome of your generalities test, you can just go on and continue. So this is the end of unit 2 test. That's easy way of getting your unit 2 test to check your stationarity or not stationarity in any of the variable, either as or difference or a constant. So at level rather. So most time the model needs to stand between at level at for difference. You know why? Because for if you know if a model is even at significant at for different, that is stationary as well, then it means that the variable can be had to be differentiated, something like word differentiation. That is, there must be it must have been adjusted for it to be solved as significant as for difference. So that means that's why most time if you check it, there is no second difference there. Because if the variable is significant as second difference, that means you have to adjust it first, adjust it second time before it now becomes stationary. That means the variable is not stationary at level, neither is it stationary at what as fair difference, but it's not stationary at what as second difference. That variable need to be very, very careful before you use it. So if there's any question, you can drop in the comment section. Thank you.